Okay, welcome to Dubai and the 6th annual GPCA forum. I'm talking to Daniele Ferrari, the new chairman and CEO of Italy's Polymeri Europa. Daniele, there's been a lot of talk here about the move downstream in the region. This will increase the focus on innovation. Do you think this is important for the region?
It's a very important issue, particularly today. We are here to talk about the next phase of development of the chemical industry, which is moving downstream. Automatically, when you think about moving downstream, you think about moving more close to your customer. I personally believe that innovation should be market-driven. Innovation is the lifeblood of the chemical industry, as well as many other industries, and in this broad concept, not only in terms of R&D, but in terms of supply chain innovation, in terms of efficiency. So the more you move downstream, like this conference is talking about, the more you have the need to get close to the customer and have market-driven innovation. So this is going to be the next era of the development of this chemical industry in the Gulf.
And turning to Polymeri Europa, there's been a renewed emphasis on chemicals at Eni. Could you explain what's behind that and what's happening now?
Yes. I have to say that over the last 15 years, probably the chemical side of the group where we belong, the Eni group, was not the top priority. So I think it's only about 1 year ago that the company recognized and the board recognized that there is something better we could do with the chemical business. So they decided to change the organization, to change the kind of emphasis of the chemical business within the group, and to allow then us to develop a strategy. But more important, to found the strategy with new investment and opportunities. So that's we are now. That's the reason why we are now implementing this strategy. We are now investing in new technology. We are just now reshaping our European operation so that we are less dependent from products where we could never compete in future. And we try to concentrate on something that we have technologies background, we are leader globally, and we will compete in future, which means the elastomers and the styrenics range and many others intermediate that we are going to make.
And will you be looking to develop business in the Middle East now?
We already have an active licensing business opportunities. We have traditionally, as a chemical company, so many technologies in our group, which we are now licensing across the world. The new model that we are going to adopt is to use these licensing technologies to enter into equity partnership with a potential partner in the Gulf here, or in Latin America, or in Asia. And we have already well advanced discussion with partners here here today. So we are very confident that this is going to happen rather quickly.
And I believe you have a big project in Europe underway at the moment, making the use of green chemistry and renewable feedstocks. Could you explain a little bit about that?
It's a big commitment from our group. It's in joint venture with a company which is involved in biochemistry, which is Novamont. And it's about converting, let me say creatively, an old and non-competitive petrochemical side. So it's about shutting down cracker capacity, polyethylene, aromatic capacity, which were not competing anymore for technology and economic reason, and try to replace all these assets, maintaining the social economical balance, so creating a sustainable solution for the future, and replacing that with an equivalent amount of chemical products coming from a bio route. And this is a great commitment that we have taken, not only to replace old assets, but it's a business model integrated into the region that we want to export in other situations where you have to convert the chemical site. So very excited about that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.